When it comes to rugged midsize SUVs, three names stand out: the Honda Passport, the Toyota 4Runner, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Each of these SUVs promises power, durability, and adventure-ready performance. But which one is actually the best when we compare them side by side? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the Honda Passport. The Passport is designed for drivers who want a balance between comfort and off-road capability. It comes with a strong V6 engine that delivers smooth power and great highway performance. Honda built the Passport with a wide stance and good ground clearance, making it capable on dirt roads and light trails. Inside, it's modern and spacious, with an easy-to-use infotainment system and plenty of cargo space for road trips and outdoor gear. However, while it's capable, it's not built for extreme off-roading like some of its rivals. Next, we have the legendary Toyota 4Runner. This SUV is famous for one thing: toughness. Unlike many modern SUVs, the 4Runner uses a body-on-frame design, which makes it extremely strong off-road. With features like a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and excellent ground clearance, it's built for serious trails. The interior may feel older compared to newer SUVs, but the 4Runner makes up for that with reliability and durability that owners trust for years. Finally, there's the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV blends off-road capability with premium comfort. Jeep offers advanced four-wheel drive systems, adjustable air suspension, and smart terrain management systems that help it perform on rough terrain. At the same time, the interior feels upscale with high-quality materials and large technology screens. This makes the Grand Cherokee perfect for drivers who want both luxury and adventure. So which SUV wins? If you want a comfortable and practical daily SUV with some off-road ability, the Honda Passport is a great option. If you want serious off-road durability, the Toyota 4Runner is hard to beat. And if you want luxury combined with strong capability, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is a fantastic choice. So, which one would you choose for your next adventure?